Are you looking for to fix this phone number cannot be used by iMessage and FaceTime? Then you're on the right video. In order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to do is move into the settings of a device. Once you're inside the settings, head over to your Apple account. Move into Sign In and Security. Now wait for a while for it to load. In this page, make sure to remove the phone number that you have entered before. After that, click on Add Email or Phone Number. You have to click on Phone Number. Now re-enter the phone number that you have been using before and then tap on Continue. This should also fix the issue that you have been facing. Or else, the next thing you want to do is to restart your device. Tap and hold the assistive touch. Click on Restart. Once done, move into Settings once again. Make sure to sign out of your account. Click on Sign Out at the bottom of the page and then re-log in into your Apple ID. Once done, now move into General. Scroll all the way down and click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset and then click on Reset All Settings. Enter the passcode of your device. Click on Reset All Settings and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.